From the Bollywood queen to the queen of controversies, Kangana Ranaut has never shied away from making headlines. But lately, it's not her acting that's keeping her in the news. It's her mic-dropping, headline-grabbing statements that has everyone talking about her. So what's the latest saga in Kangana's never-ending drama? Just when we thought that the farm laws debate was behind us, Kangana Ranaut has entered the scene with another politically controversial statement calling for reinstating the controversial farm laws that were rolled back in 2021. And if that wasn't enough, the BJP was swift enough to distance itself from her remarks. So what's going on here? Let's try and understand. On one hand, Kangana says that the farmer themselves should demand the return of the farm laws, and on the other, the BJP is like, nah, that's not us. So is this the latest twist in a political thriller or just another day in the life of Kanganaism? But let's get real for a second.
किसानों के जो लॉज हैं वो मुझे लगता है जो रिपील हो गए हैं वो फिर से लगने चाहिए। हो सकता है कंट्रोवर्शियल हो जाए, लेकिन मुझे लगता है किसानों के हितकारी लॉज वापस आने चाहिए।
While Kangana's comments are making waves, there are many such negligent misstatements made by her in the past. The fresh controversy statement. Well, Kangana now claims, and I quote, farmers themselves should demand it. Very bold set of words coming from someone who wasn't actually out in the fields protesting, but that's okay. Because remember the protests that gripped the nation for months? Apparently, according to Kangana, it's time for round two. This time, led by the farmers themselves, who, let's not forget, fought tooth and nail to get these laws repealed in the first place. It's a twist even Netflix wouldn't see coming. BJP's quick distance. And then we have the BJP's swift response coming in action. Gaurav Bhatia says this is all Kangana and don't lump us into it. So the BJP is also trying to keep a safe distance from her statements. But what makes this roller coaster ride of Kangana's statements more fascinating is the blend of fact, fiction and some seriously spicy tadka.
तमाम सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर कंगना रनौत जी, जो कि भाजपा की सांसद नेत्री हैं, उनका एक बयान 3 कृषि कानूनों को लेकर, जो कि पहले वापस लिए गए थे, चल रहा है। मैं बिल्कुल स्पष्टता से कहना चाहता हूं, ये बयान कंगना रनौत जी का व्यक्तिगत बयान है एवं भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से ना कंगना रनौत जी ऐसा कोई बयान देने के लिए अधिकृत हैं और ना ही उनका बयान जो पार्टी की सोच है 3 कृषि कानूनों को लेकर उसको दर्शाता है। इसलिए उस बयान का हम खंडन करते हैं।
Farmer protests versus the global conspiracy theory dated back in August 2024. According to Kangana, the farmer protests were not just a dharna, but a part of grand international conspiracy. China is on it, the US is involved, and honestly, we're just waiting for her to say that the aliens are also behind this. While Kangana's statements might make headlines, the ground reality for many farmers is still one of uncertainty. And this debate, while sensational, doesn't address the core issues that led to the protests in the first place. Rahul Gandhi, not just a politician but a recipe, a statement that dates back to July 2024. Now we have Kangana's culinary critique of Rahul Gandhi, where she said, अपनी जात का कुछ अता पता नहीं, नानू मुस्लिम, दादी पारसी, मम्मी क्रिश्चियन और खुद ऐसा लगता है जैसे पास्ता को कड़ी पत्ते का तड़का लगाकर खिचड़ी बनाने की कोशिश की हो और इनको सबकी जात पता करनी है. Well, according to her, raga is a dish best served confusing with ingredients like Parsi, Christian and Muslim roots, all spiced up with some desi kadi pata. Maybe next time we'll find him a MasterChef episode, right? Independence 1947 was Bheek. 2014 was the real freedom statement. But if you thought that Kangana was done, think again. She's redefined Indian history too. Forget about what you've learned about 1947 in your books. Apparently, true freedom came in 2014. So should we start rewriting our textbooks? And let's not forget her legendary statement that pre-2014 freedom was nothing more than a bheek. I'm sure our freedom fighters would have so much to say about that. Finally, who can forget when Kangana compared Mumbai to POK? Because, geography is always open for reinterpretation. We're still waiting for travel restrictions and international border control at Bandra station.
चीफ मिनिस्टर, आप मुझसे बहुत नाराज़ हुए थे जब मुझे धमकाने के बाद मुंबई में मैंने वहाँ की तुलना, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आज़ाद कश्मीर के नारे लगे थे और आपकी सोनिया सेना ने उसे डिफेंड किया था, इसलिए मैंने कहा था उसकी तुलना पीओके से की। तो बहुत ज़्यादा संविधान के जो बचाने वाले हैं वो उछल के आए थे, लेकिन कल आपने उसी भाषण में भारतवर्ष की तुलना पाकिस्तान से की। अब वो संविधान वाले नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि उनके मुंह में कोई पैसा नहीं ठूस रहा है।
Well, love her or hate her, Kangana always manages to stir the pot. Whether she is reimagining history, foreign policies, or the political kitchen, one thing is for sure, her voice will keep making waves. But what's next? Well, with Kangana, it's anyone's guess, and Kangana might rewrite history, but we'll keep you informed straight from the source.